people always ask me, okay, so like I know you and Mikhail talk about credit all the time, but like how long does it really take to fix your credit? Like seriously, how long does it really take? Well, honestly, it doesn't take very long, dependent upon your credit profile. And everybody's credit profile is different. It is a history of your spending habits and, things that you've paid back or not paid back. That's how banks decide whether or not they're going to approve you. They're going to look at your credit history. So if you have a lot of derogatory items on your report, or you have a lot of charge-offs, things that you haven't paid, things that are in collections, over the limit credit cards, things like that, late payments, things like that, it may take, 6 months to fix. So what we do is we do a free credit assessment for every single person. What we do is we have you pull your credit report for $1. Okay, it's only $1. We review that entire list that you have. So we break it down for you because it could be a little bit confusing. And then based off of that, we're not only going to give you a quote, but we're going to let you know our process is 8 months. Like that's how long we expect for it to take in total. And that doesn't matter who it is. That's like the longest it's ever taken us to fix somebody's credit, right? It's that 8-month period. I don't even know, honestly, if we've ever hit 8 months. I don't think so. I want to say maybe like 6 months at most, right? So like I said, it really depends on what you have on your credit report. But for most people see results in as little as like 2 weeks, which is insane. And then even crazier than that, people will see results within 90 days. Like their credit will be done, like taken care of. They're ready to apply for new credit. Like they're ready to be set free and back out into the world again. It's crazy. So if you're somebody that's looking to get your credit assessed, because you're just not sure about it and you don't know what you can do now to fix it, you want to go to my link tree or to Mikhail's link tree and click there. And you can sign up to get a free credit assessment. Or what you can do is you can just go to thecreditbull.com and we would be happy to take a look at your credit report and let you know.